If you clicked on this video, you probably know that it is a reference to the famous Tom Scott video from 4 years ago, which has received tens of millions of views to this day. So today I will show you how to create the same effect from scratch. For our project we will use the official YouTube API and of course Python, so we need to get a JSON file for our client. For this purpose we go to the developer console from Google. We create a new project. Now we go to the API directory and click the library category. Here we search for YouTube Data API and enable it. Now we have connected the YouTube API to our project. To get our identifier we go to the Login Data tab, create login data, and select the OAuth identifier. Now they ask us about the application type. Let's choose for example desktop application. Together with the identifier we have created our file called client secret, which we download and place in the folder where our code will be. Now we are in the code editor. In the folder we already have our file with a short name. Let's create a new Python file with any name. Now I'll paste the code from Google, which I've slightly modified. You'll find it under the video in the comments. Here we can modify the title, description and other metadata of the video. In my case the number 27 in the category means that it's an educational video. For other categories it will look like this. Now we have to provide the video ID, which means this code from the link. Let's choose one of my older videos for example. Let's set it to private for this purpose and test it. We run the code and the first time we have to go through verification, thanks to which we will connect our application to the YouTube account. We choose the channel and it should work. Now let's check in. It works. Finally we have to run the code on some hosting so that it can refresh, but I won't spend any money on hosting, so I'll put it on Raspberry Pi, which according to calculations should eat up about 31 kilowatt hours per year, so it will cost me less than $10 per year.